Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Coachmen Pursuit 27 XPS. Guys, this is the Coachmen Pursuit 27 XPS, which is the smallest, the cheapest, the best priced Class A motorhome on the entire market, largely because of the size. 29 feet long, so it's perfect for state and national parks, and because the slides, there is no slide outs on this motorhome. The way it is on the inside is the way that it always is. This is a true Class A gas motorhome, which means it has a 7.3 liter V8. It has the Godzilla engine. That's 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Also, you're getting the Goodyear tires with the 19.5 size. You got storage right here, nice power awning with LED lights, and again, this motorhome's amazing. One thing that I love about it, while we going on the inside, Coachmen uses Asdel. Asdel is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Now, as you come in and you turn to the left and do a 360, guys, this motorhome is beautiful, amazing. This is the way it is at all times. This is the way it is when you're parked. When you're driving, no slide outs, and with no slide outs, no problems. Right up front here is your cockpit area. Very comfortable driver and passenger seat. You got a bunk over the cab right here that does fold down. Right here you have a very comfortable sofa and beautiful cabinetry. Guys, let me tell you, this motorhome is using everything to be the absolute cheapest. The colors in here makes it look like it's not low end, more like it's medium end. You know, colors matter in a motorhome, and the fact that it's so light, it makes it feel more spacious. TV and dinette right over here. Here's your kitchen area. Good size refrigerator. Right over here we got our shower and your toilet and sink area, which is very nice. And then to wrap it all up is the master bedroom. This master bedroom has what's called a north-south bed. No slide outs in here either. Plenty of wardrobe space. Here's where you put the TV and everything. Well, guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Coachmen Pursuit 27 XPS. Do us a favor. If you guys are interested in learning more about this, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is the unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.